Act 4, Scene 2. Another wedding. The Capulets' house. Lord and Lady Capulet, the nurse, and the servants are all busy. To a servant.
Go and ask all our friends to come to the wedding.
To another servant.
Go and find the best cooks in Verona. This will be a very special wedding.
To the nurse.
Where's Juliet?
She's with the priest, sir. She'll be back soon. Look, here she is now. She looks very happy. Entering.
I'm sorry, Father.
What?
You told me to marry Paris, and you were right. I'm not going to cry anymore. He is the right man for me. I'm sorry I didn't agree at first.
This is wonderful news. Oh, I'm so happy. Listen, everybody, the wedding will be tomorrow morning. Go and tell Paris.
Tomorrow? But tomorrow's Wednesday. You said the wedding would be on Thursday. We won't be ready tomorrow.
That doesn't matter.
Juliet and Paris must marry as soon as possible. Hurry, hurry. Nobody will sleep tonight. We're all going to be too busy. Nurse, go and help Juliet with her wedding dress. Oh, I'm so happy.